mess. Okay, this is actually a lot of trash. Where I belong. In conclusion, this vacuum sucks. Oh my god, the vacuum wasn't even on. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing yet another cleaning my room at 2 a.m. video. Hi guys, before this video starts, I just want to say that this video was pre-filmed 4 weeks ago before I got my nose job done, so that's why I look different. And if you guys are wondering what nose job I'm talking about, I posted 3 vlogs about it. They'll be linked down in the description box below. If you guys want an update, this is what it looks like 2 weeks post-op. It's still huge and won't look like how it should for another year, so don't freak out. Now I just did one, but that was Danielle's room, and now this is my room. And before you guys say anything, I've been traveling literally non-stop for the past 2 weeks, so my room has turned into this. My room wasn't this messy until today when I got a couple new packages in with new clothes, and I tried them all on, and then I just didn't hang them up. So here we are. I also moved in like a week, which I'll make another like video on that. So I need to clean up. Basically, my room is just accumulated into a pile of clothes, and then I have a separate room where I have all my clean laundry that I've been meaning to fold, but I haven't been folding. So currently I'm sleep deprived and I can't go to sleep at a proper time, but what's new? I know some people are gonna watch this and be disgusted of me, but if you are that person, just leave. Just don't watch, okay? All of us with a dirty room, we can, do this all together, get some motivation, get off your ass, stop watching YouTube, actually keep watching this video while you clean, and we're gonna do this together. We're all in this together, okay? So go get a trash bag, go get some snacks, and let's go. Overview of the room. This is what the overview looks like. This is like my makeup and like some shoes that I had to do for a sponsor. Some more makeup, more clothes, all these new clothes that I just got in. Some McDonald's that I ate yesterday that I literally just like left there. More clothes, more makeup, garbage bag, surprisingly. All this lighting because this is where I film my videos. So this is my bathroom that I don't use. This is my panty liner that I promise I didn't use. I used it for removing makeup because I don't have any more wipes, so I use this with a little bit of makeup remover. Awesome. Right? Some random lashes that I guess I stuck onto there. Cute. Here's my closet that I haven't been using because I've been using all the clothes in this room. Walk down this hallway and boom! You have a pile of clean clothes that I just take from here and throw it into here. And then here we have more clothes that I haven't unpacked yet. This is from my Bali trip from like 2-3 weeks ago, and then this is from my Toronto trip from like a couple days ago. And then we have this bathroom that I actually use. I'm going to try to pick up all the clothes and pick up all the trash, and then we'll do like the rest tomorrow. So let's start by turning on some tunes and picking up all the clothes and making piles. Okay, so how this is gonna work is I'm gonna have my laundry basket right here to put all the dirty clothes in, and then I'm gonna have a pile somewhere. I'm gonna put all my clean clothes, like all the clothes that I need to do a haul video with. I'll put all the clean clothes that I'm not doing a haul video with in the room, and we'll fold that room tomorrow. I'm gonna play some music, and if you guys want a fire playlist, go to Spotify and search up my username, and then it is my throwbacks playlist. Okay, that literally took like 2 minutes, which was really fast. But this is my haul pile, this is my dirty clothes pile, and then this is my I just need a fold pile, so I'm gonna move those all to another room. All right, this is what the laundry room looks like now. This is clothes that I need to fold, and this is clothes that I need to make a video with. I have way too many clothes, but I think I'm gonna film like a closet clean out video sometime before I move, just so that I can like list all my stuff that I don't want because I have way too many clothes and I need to stop. All right, so now I'm gonna pick up all the garbage from the floor. I just have like a bunch of makeup that I got either for free, which is like crazy, but I don't really get that much makeup for free, but like I appreciate everything that I appreciate everything I get, but usually I just go to my friend's house that are bigger YouTubers and more relevant, and then take all the free stuff that they don't want. I think that this is like an improvement, considering I did this in like probably 25 minutes. I'm kind of proud of myself because usually it takes 10 years to clean my room. But tomorrow when I actually have to like deep clean it, well not like deep clean, but like actually organize everything and fold all my laundry, that's where I'm gonna take 10 years because I hate doing that. I don't know if it's just me, but I usually just shove all my clean laundry in a pile and just pick from there and never fold my clothes. But we're not gonna do that today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ready? Hi everyone! Okay, so it's the next morning. If you guys can see, there's no bedding on my bed because I am washing it right now. But today we're gonna finish cleaning my room. It looks kind of clean right now, but keep in mind I still have all the clothes, my bathroom, and just, it's a mess still. I'm gonna start off by bringing all these dirty dishes down to the kitchen, the sink. Okay, you guys can hear like the laundry in the back, sorry about that, but I have a bunch of hangers here, and I have a pile of clothes here, so I'm going to hang them. Okay, so I finished folding most of it, but then I have this, which is like a tangled mess. I don't know how this happened, but it's like a bunch of bikinis and like things, and like I don't know what to do. I already hate doing laundry, so the fact that I have to untangle things makes it 10 times worse. Okay, I moved you into my closet. Now I'm gonna hang up my clothes, and I'm not gonna color coordinate or anything because I'm moving, so it doesn't really matter.
Later that night.
Okay, so it's 12 hours later now. I've just been lazy and haven't been cleaning, but I've hung up everything up in my closet, but now there's a bunch of random stuff on the floor that I need to pick up, and there's like a bunch of random stuff like this box that I don't know what's in it. I'm gonna figure it out. This is the makeup that I want to keep, this is the makeup that I want to start using, and then this is the boxes I want to throw away. Haha, where I belong. Haha. Okay, I'm gonna put the bedding on my bed. Done. Oh my god, I love fresh sheets, and like my bed looks so cute. Okay, so on my nightstand there's this mess that I haven't cleaned up in a while. Basically, I left a McDonald's Fruitopia cup here, and it's melted and spilled all over my nightstand, so should probably clean that up. And there's a bunch of Jolly Ranchers here because I haven't cleaned it out yet, but it's my ex's. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of bleach and put it here and hope it works. Okay, so my room's pretty clean now. All I need to do is vacuum, but I'm gonna show you guys all the garbage bags I accumulated. Wow, big boy words. My friend's literally just downstairs waiting for me to be done. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually a lot of trash. Probably should clean my room more often, but it's fine. At least I cleaned it. Okay, I'm gonna bring this down to the garbage bin. Okay, in conclusion, this vacuum sucks. Oh my god, the vacuum wasn't even on! That's why! Okay, so I just finished cleaning my room. Surprisingly, it's actually the cleanest it's ever been. And I finally vacuumed for the first time since I've lived here, which is disgusting, but like satisfying, you know? Like I forgot how satisfying it was. But let me show you guys an overview. I'm filming a room tour right after this, so I'll show you guys in that video like where I got everything if you guys are curious. Now you can see the floor. Wow, still dirty. I have to actually get it like professionally cleaned before I move out. But we have this couch. Ooh. You know, there's no more Fruitopia stain. I actually have a trash can, so I stopped putting trash on the ground. Fresh sheets. Wow, all the cords are put away. A nice smelling candle. Look at my closet. Organized. Actually not organized, but like hung up, cute. And this is my bathroom. Don't mind the bathtub. Like I don't use the bathtub. Wow. So that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment anything down you guys want in the comment box below because I read every single one of my comments. Follow my Instagram and add me on Snapchat because that's where I update you guys on literally everything. Until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, and sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see. So bad I'm not using my Visine. Gotta get it like Liam and I'm a lysine. So beautiful like in my dreams. Hey boom, hollering at with you.